Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And the Bonz is for a St. Louis style way of barbecuing. But you're rocking with a chef that just don't barbecue. 2025. The chef is moving forward with the cooking show. Nothing can stop me because I got God on my side. You know, you ever been in the house and you're cleaning and you're getting the house squared away, you got your music on and you're singing and you're cleaning, whoop, whoop, whoop. But this is what I like to do. I like to sing while I'm cooking. Goes a little something like this. I just saw somebody who looked just like me. I thought it was me. I thought it was me. As I turned the corner, I called out their name. Hey, Bonz. I felt so ashamed when it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Bonz is everything to me. Bonz, bones. Bonz in the bucket, featuring Chef P. That would be me. To all my followers out there and followers to be, God bless you. I hope your year going into 2025 is very blessing. You know, as I freestyle some of the R&B music to fit into the category of my cooking show, I think back late at night, when all the world is asleep within their dreams. Guess what? I'm in the kitchen late at night. A cooking feeling takes control over me. And guess what? I can't fight it. So I go into the kitchen late at night, all alone. I stir the pot until I find someone who is cooking like me. That would be Chef P. Looking for that perfect recipe. You're now cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And again, the Bonz is for a St. Louis style way of barbecuing. But you rocking with a chef that just don't barbecue. God bless all you guys. If you like what you see on a lot of my videos, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because food is what makes the world go round. The ups and downs, the carousel. Chef P and Bonz be changing things. Until next time, hands on, hands in. Bonz.